Hey everybody, we're back here visiting Ruthie, checking in on her, see what she's doing. She seems to be doing awesome. Another great day, another great week. Got my son here. We're going to take her out for dinner tonight, actually getting out of the house, get some fresh air. So I'll let her tell you how things are.
Well, today is great. After a whole month at rehab and being home and getting physical therapy, and not just their therapy, you have to do it on your own as well. Otherwise, I could not have gotten such a wonderful progress. I still got another month to go, but in my mindset, I never give up.
What kind of stuff are they doing for you? Let me see. Can I see something? What are you lifting your arm up? What do you give us a little something about the arm?
A little something. I've got to pull the arms up. The right arm is the bad one.
And you're bringing it up, and before you couldn't even do that.
I couldn't do it to here.
Yeah.
And I got to do this.
And you're starting to make all your own food now too, right?
Uh-huh. But if your left arm is strong and you've been always exercising all your life, that's what's important. But when we're young, we don't think of that because we don't know what's going to come into our lives or what challenges we're going to have. This was a big challenge, a broken arm. And I have a righty to begin with. But I always exercised. I took my calcium for my bones, and I eat healthy. And, of course, I want a little dessert, but I don't sit on my couch like a couch potato person and nibble the chips day and night. No. Save it for the weekend.
What do you think, Lucas?
What do you think about it?
You want a snack every day?
Yes.
Or just on the weekends?
Every day.
Everyday snacks, not good, not good.
No, it's perfect.
He's only kidding.
Nope, I'm not kidding.
Oh, see what happens? You get a little freshy once in a while.
He's always freshy, but
Yeah.
he's a love. He comes here and he vacuums for me.
He already helped you. What did he do? Open up bottle of waters for you and stuff, right?
Some things I can't do with the right hand. But if you got a good lefty, and if you got a good friend in your life, and you got an amazing family in your life, you can do anything. But remember, start early in life. Don't wait till you're in your 40s or 50 to have a problem. Get going now. Look at the youngsters out there. They're playing soccer. And by the way, my great-grandkids are superstars. Come on, get up.
What kind of face is that?
Come on. He's a champion.
Yeah.
And so is his sister. I call them the Greats.
Oh yeah, they're out in New York right now. Doing soccer.
Juliana's playing.
And Lucas got 3 games tomorrow.
Wow.
Yeah.
And when I was in better shape, I was on my rubber mat doing bridges and planks.
Oh, you'll be back. You'll be back.
I can't wait.
Yep.
Once you get used to a certain way, it's a happier way. You got challenges, but you can meet them. I know you can. And God bless Toddy Boy right here. Oh, my God.
I need all the blessings.
When he speaks, people listen.
Yeah.
I told him that a long time ago.
Oh yeah? You don't listen though when I speak to you.
Why should I?
See?
I'm going to do
Fresh.
it my way. You see how fresh we are?
But is your way the right way?
No.
Well, I'll tell you something. I may never...
My way's the right way.
You know, I'm always listening, and I want knowledge is my power. And if I'm not happy with what a doctor will say, I'll get another opinion. That's all. Knowledge is your power. You don't have to be a professional. Just use your good common sense.
So if you're not getting a good answer from your doctor, you got to ask again.
I don't care how many...
Get another referral, talk to somebody else.
Another referral. Why not? It's your life. You go through this life one time. Make it the best you can. You love just going out there having fun. Oh, we love our automobiles. We take such good care of it, right? You have to put the oil in to go, right?
And some gas.
But what about the best mechanism in the whole wide world? That's the human body. That's the best one.
That's right. So eat good, have fun.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, like and subscribe. This kid knows how to do the channels here. Tell us.
Tell us what you do.
What? What?
Say it. You got a chance. Speak up or forever hold your voice.
Someone tells you to speak up, you better speak up.
You better listen. You better listen.
Well, let's get going. We're going to go for some nice dinner. We're going to have a beautiful night tonight. Get you out of the house. Go have some
Right.
fun, right?
Oh, I'm going to get my beautiful piece of salmon. But I want it on the pinky side. Nice and moist. Oh, by the way, at home, 5 times a week, I eat my avocados. Believe me, it's good for inflammation. It's a very healthy treat. It's more than a treat. So, if you say you don't like it, learn to like it. Chop up some onions. Add some tomatoes.
You're listening to a
Put
chef.
some-
Now. She's a chef now.
Put some chickpeas into it. Why not? You're going to love it. It's going to be good for you.
All right, everybody.
So, love and hugs. Oh,
Love and hugs.
to everybody and to my son out there, I love you so much. To all my friends and cousins all around the world, I'm thinking of you all. And God bless you all. And
God bless America.
God bless America. You bet.
All right, bye-bye.
We love you all.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Tell them.
Ciao, baby.
Like and subscribe. Tell them. You, Ruthie, tell them like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe.